Hey video shooters and aviation photographers, join me as we take off into aviation photography with the Sony RX10 IV, together with the Air Adventure Flying Club. That was great fun shooting on the ground, but now it's time to take it up to the next level by taking off into the skies. One of the most incredible features of the RX10 IV is the burst photo shooting with no blackouts. These are a rapid-fire sequence of photos. Can you guess how many images were shot in 1 second? That's 24 shots. The RX10 IV has a blazing fast autofocus of 0.03 seconds combined with auto exposure tracking, which you'll need because the planes are coming in fast and gorgeous. There's really no time to adjust focus and exposure as they close the distance, but I can trust the really fast hybrid autofocus. Well, how many photos were taken in 1 second? Remember these figures: 2, 4, 1. There's 24 photos in 1 second and with no blackout. That's fast. To achieve these shots, we need a powerful zoom lens, and the RX10 IV combines this with a fast and compact 24 600mm zoom lens and optical steady shot. Macro, wide, tele, you've got all those in here. Even with continuous shooting, the RX10 IV can shoot RAW. If you love editing your images, this lets you pull down the highlights and boost the shadows to further fine-tune your photos. What's most exciting about aviation photography is finding and capturing these beautiful machines in mid-flight and as they return to Earth. The RX10 IV is made for aviation photographers, so grab one, gear up, go out there and shoot it great!
Sony.
Hey Sebastian, how are you?
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Hi.
Sebastian here is the instructor for the Air Adventure Flying Club. So what's going on here?
Oh, just doing some little walk around pre-flight checks, checking tire creep is in place, brake looks okay. Every flight, safety first, right?